Steady. Won't be long now. Won't be long now, we'll be driving over this bridge. Can't wait. Yeah, don't tell anybody I'm walking on the new bridge, whatever you do. I was actually hoping I'd be driving on it by the end of the year, but looks like that's going to happen early January, hopefully. I guess they should put a little guardrail on that side before I drive on it. Yeah, if you do tell anybody that you saw me out here walking on the bridge, at least tell them to tell the people that they tell not to tell anybody. Thanks. Not too much left to do. Finish the gravel approaches on both ends and then pave it.